this is Alex, the driving instructor from SenSen Driving School. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to perform a three-point turn, like a boss. Three-point turns can be used when there are no driveways around and you need to maneuver yourself around back the way you came from. And here is a picture of it, of how it will look like. When performing a three-point turn, make sure to use extreme caution. Don't attempt it in traffic, around pedestrians, around intersections, or where your vision is obstructed or limited by a curve in the road or if a hill is nearby. Steps for a three-point turn. Signal right, and when safe, pull over to the right side of the road, parallel to the curb if there is one. Check if there is traffic coming from either direction, oncoming or from behind. Signal left, turn your wheel all the way to the left, shoulder check left, and move until you are just short of the road edge on the other side. Then you straighten out your steering wheel, two Toyotas, shift into reverse, and do a 360 degrees check. And again, this is a map of how a 360 check should go, sweeping from left to right. Slowly roll back and quickly steer your wheel all the way to the right. Stop when you are just short of the edge of the curb. Note, don't forget to look backwards through the back window as you drive backwards. Then you straighten out your wheel again, signal left, check for traffic from both directions, shoulder check left, and move until the car is straight with the road again, steering left. Okay, that's enough of me talking. Let's see this in action. Example number 1. So we signal, we shoulder check, we pull over safely, parallel to the curb, we signal left, check the mirror, left shoulder check, and now we're turning all the way until just shy of the edge of the curb, straighten out, reverse, 360 check, and slow car, fast hands as you steer backwards, looking back, checking the mirrors, looking back. Okay, straighten out, put it back in drive, signal left, shoulder check, and turn yourself back to being straight with the new road. Okay, example number 2. Again, signal right, shoulder check, pulling over. So this is a great example here. I'm preparing to do my three-point turn, but there's a vehicle. So of course we wait. And just checking again if there are any other cars. Then you shoulder check left, pull to the other side, just shy of the edge of the curb, straighten out, reverse, 360. Then again, you're quickly steering the wheel, slowly rolling backwards until the edge of the curb again. Straighten out, drive, signal left, mirror, mirror, shoulder check, and turning back to the left. Okay, example number 3. Again, signal, shoulder check, pull over. Okay, left turn signal, mirror, mirror, shoulder check. Going until the edge of the curb. Straighten out. Reverse. Don't forget that 360. Quickly steering the wheel, slowly rolling the car, checking behind, checking the mirrors. Drive, straighten out. Mirror, mirror, shoulder check. And turning back the other way. Okay, example number 4. Let's see me perform the 3-point turn from the outside. Okay, signal right, shoulder check right, pulling over to the side. Signal left, shoulder check left, turn all the way to the edge of the curb on the other side, straighten out, reverse, 360 check. Slow car, fast hands, steering all the way to the right, and backing up to the edge of the curb on this side here. Again, straighten out, drive, signal left, mirror, mirror, shoulder check, steering to the left. Again, when performing a 3-point turn, make sure to use extreme caution. Don't attempt it in traffic, around pedestrians, around intersections, or where your vision is obstructed or limited by a curve in the road or if a hill is nearby. Okay, that's it for now. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment below, and let me know what you would like to see more from this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye now.